So, all right, in this lesson, we want to continue. This is the final part of the lesson one on the laws of indices, where we have the product, the addition rule, where we have that x raised power a times x raised power b is equals to x raised power a plus b. Now, let's see how we can apply these in solving these problems. So, in the first one, we have x raised power minus 2 times x raised to power 5. So the way it goes, we just add the indices as we have seen in this place. So this become x raised to power minus 2 plus 5. And this is x raised to power 3. And that's that about that. For the second part of it, we have here xy raised to power 4 times x2 raised to power minus 2. So the way this one goes is such that here we have two variables, unlike the first one where we have just a single variable. You group the variables together to make it easier. Let me put it this way. Let me say to make it easier. So group the variables together. I can say this is equals to x times x raised power 2, then times y raised power 4 times y raised power minus 2. So that this one become then add the indices 1 plus 2 times y raised power 4 plus minus 2, and this will become x raised power 3 times y raised power 4 plus minus 2 will give us 2, because that will be plus times minus, which is minus 2. 4 minus 2 will give us 2. And finally, this is the same thing as x raised power 3 y raised to power 2. Next, in the number 3, permit me to clean this one to move to number 3. Okay, so for for question 3, we have 4m and 3p raised to power 2 times 3m raised to power 3 and p raised to power 2. So one thing is that if you have 4x, this is something as 4 times x. So the same way we can say that the whole of this now is something as 4 times m and 3p squared times 3 times m raised to power 3 and p raised to power 2. This is 3. So that by grouping them together now, we can have 4 times 3. And learning from the first example, you are going with me now that this is going to be m raised to power 1 plus 3. We are looking at them one after the other now, which is the m with the m, n with this n, then p with this p. So here now we have n raised to power 3 plus 1, then p raised to power 2 plus 2. 4 times 3 will give us 12. M raised to power 1 plus 3 will give us 4. N raised to power 4 and p raised to power 4. So the fourth one now, which is very, very simple case, we have 10 raised to power sine x plus 10 raised to power, let me clean that. So we have 10 raised to power cos x. So it's just the same way. Oh, sorry, it should be times 10 raised power cos x. So it's just the same way, it's still making use of what we have here. So that will be, since the bases are equal, so what you just need to do is to add the indices. That will be 10 raised power sine x plus cos x. So I hope you have learned from this video how to use the law 1 of the indices. So you can go through the videos again just for better understanding, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also look forward to seeing the next videos on the other laws. Thank you.